With unTill Air, you can set up your discounts so that they're available in the POS system only during a specific period. To do this, go to Periods and create a new period with a custom name. For example, Tuesday. Here, you can add schedules for weekly, daily, yearly, or one-time periods, defining the days and hours when your discount will be visible in the POS. You can add as many schedules as you need. For this video, we'll create just one, Tuesday. Next, go to your discounts and double-click to modify the settings. Here you can assign the discount to the newly created period. And that's it. Now, this discount will only be visible during the specified period.